I told you 2 connectors.
So one, actually you can just fix it. So this is just a press type. If you want to remove, there is a metallic thing here. If you press that, it will automatically come out. Okay. Okay. And one more
I want
is,
to try that.
yes madam, please.
Pressing is just only.
அப்படியே புஷ் பண்ணுங்க மேடம், லாக் ஆகிடும். You can take that out also, not a problem. ஒரு ஓகே, ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் அங்கே மாட்டி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க மேடம். அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, யூ ஜஸ்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ் இட் ஹியர்.
இது எடுக்கும்போது இந்த இடத்துல அமுத்தி எடுக்கணும்.
அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் யூ ஹேவ் திஸ் yellow one. So yellow one will get connected here. Okay, so this is the whole setup of connecting the ADM module. Okay, so now after this, now you need to fix the baby. Okay, so when you want to fix the baby should be mounted on this. So how this will work is, basically you have two notches here. So one should get fixed here. Okay. Can you see this? So one notch will get fixed here, and basically if you take that cover, so this cover also will have an opening, the other end will get connected here. Okay, so how this works is, basically when you are turning the baby, okay, so this lights, and then the rotation and all that thing happens. Okay, so here one challenge is, basically when the baby comes out, we need to assist. Okay, the baby will not come out directly. Okay, if we don't assist, the problem is only once the head can be activated. Once it is activated, and if the delivery is not done, then we can't take the baby out. Okay, we have to open and only take the baby out. Okay, so that is why we need to make sure good lubrication is done and proper assistance is done, and only the head will come out. Beyond that, we need to pull the baby out. Okay, fine. So this will be pushing. So that is how the rotation happens. Okay, so now basically when you want to fix the baby, okay, so basically the legs will go inside this, and the back of the baby will get fixed here. Okay, so now again you need to make sure that nice lubrication is done. Okay. Okay, so we need to fix the leg nicely so that the baby sits comfortable. So again, if we don't apply lubricant, we can't pull the baby out. Okay, fine. So now we apply nice lubricant all over the baby. Okay, and then inside this also. Okay, so now you can just position the baby, and you need to put the head first, okay, and then just bend this a little bit and lock it into this. Okay, can you see that it got locked? So if it is going to be this way, you need to keep it like this. If you want the baby to turn the other way, then this should get locked other side. Okay, fine. So now once you fix that in, now you just need to hold it at 2 points. Okay, why? Because this is a sliding unit. Okay, so one hand here and one hand in the back, so that once you slide it, this gets locked. Okay, if I don't use 2 hands, one side will get locked, other side will not get locked. Okay, so now you just go to continue. Continue without EMF. Start session. Can you see now the page has changed a little bit? Why? Because we have this ADM module also there. Okay, so now you can go to this delivery setup now. So now you can just alter that. So in 10 minutes, how many contractions you do? Yes, okay. And deliver baby in how many contractions? This will not come out. So, okay. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. The crowning will happen and then it will stop. Then again every 1 minute the contractions will keep happening. Okay, so this will be useful for your partograph. Okay, so when you do the partograph, so this is going to be very helpful. So when the contraction happened, what were the vitals, were any medication or anything given for the pain, so all that is going to be mentioned in the partograph. Okay, whenever you feel that the delivery wants to happen, okay, then you can again go to the system and you have this option called deliver head now. Okay, so you can just activate that now. So basically, so baby is going to come out, okay, and we are going to assess this a little bit. So now let's just push him out. Okay. Now I have the baby that is getting. Okay, so again everything depends on the lubrication.